So the collaborative is a partnership between San Diego Unified School District, San Diego State University, Price Charities, and the San Diego Teachers Association. The partnership was set up to be the educational redevelopment side of a community redevelopment project. We're really in the business of making the schools places where families want their students to be and want to stay connected to. And to that end, we engage community partners and provide services beyond normal school. Things like health centers, extended day programs, additional learning opportunities that our students probably wouldn't get otherwise. After about 10 years, we realized that the real change that we needed to make was happening in classrooms, and the only way to make that happen was to be more present, more often in classrooms. We started visiting classes and looking for features of learning environments that would produce the kinds of outcomes that we were looking for. We wanted to see if students were talking as much or more than teachers. We wanted to see if the classrooms were displaying student work. When we first started, we targeted collecting data in basically 30 classrooms a week. And those visits, even though they're relatively short, when the principal codes the data and writes their comments on the forms and we collect them on paper, it could take us 8 hours to enter the data. The beauty of I-Form Builder is that it cuts through the data entry process and gets us right into reporting.
Back in the early days of when I was a principal, we knew it was important to get in classrooms, get feedback back to teachers, but unfortunately it wasn't a really easy process with paper and pencil. And so I devised a system where we used binders, and I had a fairly large school at the time, but I had 3 separate binders, and I would take one out and see those teachers in that binder. I'd go back to the office, I'd photocopy feedback, or I'd retype it and I'd put it in the mailbox. But the process just was very archaic, obviously, and it was hard to get to everybody.
With one push of a button, I can send one copy of that report to myself, my teacher, the head of the department, the principal, to everybody who's part of that team. And what I-Form does for us is it provides us a multifaceted tool that can facilitate productive conversation for us as administrators, working with our teachers to be able to establish a shared language of expectations. We can look at the quality indicators that we have and say, hey, look, you hit these targets, we still need to work on these targets, here's some other strategies.
If you don't have some numbers to hang that on, if you can't say that 67% of our classrooms are purposefully enacting a structured task that engages students, that's a much different conversation with staff as opposed to saying, well, what we're generically seeing is low levels of. That's really a powerful tool for a principal.